Hello one and all, we are Group 4 from PGDM2 and today we'll be having a look at the detailed project report of Delhi-Mumbai Expressway construction project. The highway is a proposed 1,350 km long corridor between Delhi and Mumbai, passing through 7 states and union territories. The nodal authority concerned with the construction of this expressway is National Highways Authority of India or NHAI. Major junctions of this project would be the DND flyway in Delhi, Sohna in Haryana, and towards the southern end, JNPT and Virar in Maharashtra. The estimated date of completion of this project is March 2023. Let us now have a detailed overview about various prospects of this project one by one. I would now like Pallavi to take this discussion forward with the technical appraisal for the project.
Let's talk about the technical review to ascertain that the project is sound with respect to various parameters such as technology, plant, capacity, raw material, location, manpower availability. In raw material, the project entails development of highway and will require road construction materials like aggregates, stone, sand, etc. The material from the site will be transported by trucks, tractors, trolleys. Employees will report to the duty on their own means. The project area is mostly agricultural and wastelands. In connectivity, it includes the site is approachable by the road from Gurugram district. The city is approx 18 km away from the project site. In amenities and facilities, the office, workshop, etc., proper site services such as first aid, the rest shelter, drinking water will be provided to the workers. Water will be supplied for human consumption, dust suspension, and for the plantation from surface water sources. The power supply for project and construction camp will be done through DG sets and state electricity board. So this is all we have prepared for technical appraisals.
So now let's talk about the commercial and economical appraisal of Delhi-Mumbai Expressway. The commercial appraisal of the project means marketability of the product and the economical values, cost, benefits of the project on the economic basis. Then what is the need of this project? The project Expressway is part of exclusive transit corridor connecting Delhi-Mumbai. The projected route would serve as the main conduit for economic activity in this area. It would boost economic development, provide jobs for the community, stimulate tourist development, improve road safety, and provide transit and other amenities such as roadside amenities. What is the demand and supply gap? Only basic infrastructure facilities available in the vicinity of the study area. The proposed road is essential for improving faster and economical transportation facilities between the major cities in the country. Boost to the Sona's real estate. Due to the fact that this project is under construction, the property values under the expressway have risen as a result of this. Prominent developers are constructing housing with excellent amenities. It is estimated that private developers have invested more than 65,000 crores in residential and commercial projects in Sector 103 and 107. What is the expected footfall and traffic diversion? According to Nitin Gadkari, the Union Minister, the centre will get total revenues of 1,000 to 1,500 crores every month once the expressway is operational.
To calculate the financial feasibility of Delhi-Mumbai Expressway, we have used the discounted cash flow technique with a weighted average cost of capital of 6.3%. NHAI will raise funding using a variety of financial instruments, including bonds and equity issuances, as well as institutional investors such as National Investment and Infrastructure Fund, India Infrastructure Finance Company, and EPFO. It intends to raise the total requisite corpus at a 6.3% WACC. Let us now have a bird's eye view of the prospects of this project. It moves through 7 states and union territories, with majority of its portions going through Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Madhya Pradesh respectively. As of now, close to 389 kilometers of this highway have been completed and the balance being under construction. The cost of the project shall be 98,233 crores as on the date the project is completed. Let us now have a look at the net present value of this project. We have considered the weighted average cost of capital as 6.3% and we have also factored in the inflation of 6.07% in our calculations of future cash flows and outflows. Discounting the cash flows at WACC, we can see the project turns profitable at the beginning of the 8th year with a cumulative cash flow of 8,303 crore. I would now like Mahima to take this discussion forward.
Moving on to the next one is socio-ecological appraisal of Delhi-Mumbai Expressway. So everyone we know that every construction leads to certain positive and negative effects on social as well as on ecological levels. So now what is socio-ecological appraisal? It is basically an assessment which evaluates the existing ecological value of the site. What are those 5 major factors or appraisals we can say that has affected or will affect or will lead to the Mumbai Expressway? The highway will not only be the India's longest greenfield expressway but will have India's first animal bridges and overpasses. Next one is it would cut some of the country's most fragile ecological areas and conservation zones. For example, the tiger reserves of Ranthambore and Mukandra Hills, etc. Promise of jobs, better wages and better economical conditions with over 3 lakhs of payment to farmers are some of the positive sides of this highway. The next one is that the light that would be on the expressway would use the solar energy, which would actually be a better resource since it is using natural source of energy. Also, last but not the least, 32 crore liters of fuel will be saved every year because of this expressway, reducing the traffic congestion.
Management appraisal consists of hierarchy of organization which works towards the project for getting positive results. Here in this slide we can see the management appraisal of National Highways Authority of India with Ministry of Road Transport and Highways Shri Nitin Jairam Gadkari. The entire Delhi-Mumbai Expressway project is divided into 4 sections. Under each section, there are packages along with the major contractors. The DND Faridabad Sokhna junction consists of 59 kilometers with packages ranging from 1 to 3. The major contractor is TRA Procron. The Sokhna Vadodara junction, which is of 844 kilometers with packages 1 to 31. The major contractors are APCO Infratech, Centro Dostra India, HG Infra Engineering, KCC Buildcom, etc. The Vadodara Pira junction consists of 354 kilometers with packages ranging from 1 to 13. The major contractors are BK1 Expressway, Ipcon Vadodara Kim Expressway, etc. The Bairat JNTP junction, which is of 92 kilometers, packages from 16 to 20. The major contractors are Shivalaya Constructions Limited, Ipcon International Limited. When we talk about the project overview, the expressway with closed tolling will connect 5 states of Haryana, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Maharashtra. New industrial townships and smart cities have been planned along its route. 92 wayside amenities have been planned on either side at an interval of roughly 50 kilometers. Its alignment reduces the distance between Delhi and Mumbai by around 150 kilometers and travel time to 13 hours from 24 hours. Besides that, the expressway will lead to considerable fuel savings, better ride quality and safety over existing National Highway 48.
So now moving on to the role of PMO, that is Project Management Officer in Delhi-Mumbai Expressway. So we have bifurcated the role of PMO in 5. So first one being the standardization of the PMO. To better coordinate the entire Delhi-Mumbai Expressway project, the PMO should actually choose a better way to adopt such a technology that standardizes all the process. The second one says about support project implementation. Now it helps in solving problems like shortage of resources in packages, communication, problems between co-workers, etc. The third one is provide a consolidated view of all the projects. So the PMO must be familiarized with what's actually going on in the progress report or maybe the completion of status. Are there any problems that is faced by the resources? The fourth one is to plan and schedule the resources efficiently. The PMO must allocate the resources efficiently so that there is maximum output of minimum input. And the last is strategic portfolio management and governance. So it aligns project execution with set strategic vision. So the project gets completed with the set target goals, mission and vision.
So here we prepared the Gantt chart with the project activities. So what happens in the large projects, that those projects are split into a series of packages. Here also in Delhi Mumbai Expressway project is split into a small series of projects, or we can say packages. So we have the routes here, like in this project we have the Delhi Faridabad Sonha, Delhi Vadodara, Vadodara Virhad and Virhad JNPT. So under these we have small packages which we have shown in each of the activities in the Gantt chart with Zoho application, along with the dates like the date of completion and also date of commencement of each of the activities. So that's all from our end. So along with this, we have already prepared the detailed project report which covered all the aspects and appraisals in detail. Thank you.